Hello, today I will be testing the indoor mode follow me function. I'm in a garage and we have no GPS signal, and instructions claim that this drone can follow you even without a GPS signal indoors. So let's see if it works. I'm choosing indoor mode now. We see a video signal coming to the app. It says I have no location service available now, so I push cancel. I'll turn on the drone now. I'll fly it inside of the garage and I will turn on this follow me function. So let's start the engines. Now let's turn on the follow me function, and I'll pass in front of the drone, and the drone should analyze the picture that it gets from its camera and see me. So you see it has detected me, and this is the square I mentioned in previous videos when I was testing follow me function outdoors. So now the drone should follow me. Let's see if it follows me now. And no, I don't see any movement. Now let's try to approach the drone and pass by the drone and see if it turns around to follow me. And no, there's no reaction from the drone. So unfortunately this function turns out not to be true. I mean, it's not working. It does analyze the picture, it catches me on the video, but it's not following me without GPS signal.